Are you looking for the best Bluetooth mirrorless cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best Bluetooth mirrorless cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon EOS M50 Mirrorless Camera Kit with f/15-45mm and 4K video camera. This Canon M50 mirrorless camera kit includes a 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor, Digic 8 image processor, 2.36M OLED electronic viewfinder, and 3.01.04M vari-angle touchscreen. The camera also has UHD 4K and HD 720p 120 video recording, built-in Wi-Fi with NFC, Bluetooth, dual-pixel CMOS AF, extended ISO 51200, 10 fps shooting, and combination 5-axis image stabilization. The f/15-45mm f/3.5-6.3 ISSTM lens offers a 24-72mm equivalent focal length range when used with APS-C format EOS M series mirrorless cameras. The camera case and 32GB SanDisk Class 10 SDHC memory card provide convenience for storage and transportation. The Canon LCE12 battery charger and Canon LPE12 battery ensure a long-lasting camera life. The camera kit is perfect for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wants to capture their life in high quality. Number 2. Canon EOS M100 mirrorless camera with 15-45mm lens. The Canon EOS M100 mirrorless camera with 15-45mm lens offers a 24.2MP CMOS, APS-C, sensor, dual-pixel CMOS AF with phase detection, and up to 49 AF points for maximum sharpness. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, which makes sharing photos and videos easy. The camera is equipped with an intuitive touchscreen, flexible 3.0-inch tilt-type LCD, and FHD 1080p video capture resolution, allowing you to capture high-quality images and videos. The mounting type is bayonet, and the viewfinder type is flexible LCD. Number 3. Canon EOS M5. The Canon M5 is a mirrorless digital camera that packs a punch with its impressive features. Equipped with a 24.2MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 7 image processor, this camera captures stunningly sharp and detailed photos. Its 2.36M EVF and touch and drag AF control make it easy to compose your shots and focus on your subject. The 3.2 tilting touchscreen LCD allows for easy navigation and review of your images. With full HD 1080p video recording at 60 fps, you can capture high-quality videos as well. The built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, along with Bluetooth connectivity, enable seamless sharing and remote control of the camera. The Canon M5 also features dual-pixel CMOS AF, which ensures fast and accurate autofocus, even in low-light conditions. With up to 9 fps shooting and ISO 25600, you can capture fast-moving subjects and shoot in challenging lighting situations. The 5-axis image stabilization helps to minimize camera shake, resulting in sharp and blur-free images. Overall, the Canon M5 is a versatile and powerful camera that delivers exceptional image quality and performance. Number 4. Canon EOS M50 Video Creator Kit. The Canon EOS M50 kit is a complete bundle that includes the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless digital camera, a Canon f/15-45mm f/3.5-6.3 ISSTM lens, a Rode VideoMic Go, a Canon camera case, and a 32GB SanDisk memory card. With its 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor, this camera delivers high-quality photos and videos. The 2.36M OLED electronic viewfinder and 3.01.04M vari-angle touchscreen provide a clear and convenient way to frame your shots. The UHD 4K and HD 720p 120 video recording capabilities allow you to capture stunning footage. With built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, you can easily transfer your files and control the camera remotely. The dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures fast and accurate autofocus, while the combination 5-axis image stabilization helps to eliminate camera shake. This video creator kit is perfect for anyone who wants to create professional quality videos and capture incredible moments with ease. Number 5. Canon EOS M6 Mark II. The Canon EOS M6 Mark II is a high-quality mirrorless camera designed for vlogging and photography enthusiasts. With its 32.5-megapixel CMOS sensor, you can capture stunning images with exceptional clarity and detail. The camera offers high-speed continuous shooting of up to 14 fps with AF/AE tracking, allowing you to capture fast-moving subjects with precision. The dual-pixel CMOS AF with 5481 manually selectable AF positions and IAF servo support ensures accurate and fast autofocus, making it easier to capture sharp and focused shots. In addition, the camera can shoot 4K UHD 30p/Full HD 120p videos, allowing you to create professional quality videos. With its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily transfer and share your images and videos wirelessly. The Canon EOS M6 Mark II is a versatile and powerful camera that offers convenience and exceptional image quality for both vlogging and photography. Number 6. Canon EOS R100. The Canon R100 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera from Canon's EOS R series. With its affordable price, it offers excellent mobility for photographers on the go. It features a 24.1-megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic 8 processor, delivering high image quality. The dual-pixel CMOS AF with auto subject detection and eye detection AF makes it easy to capture sharp and focused shots. Additionally, the camera offers continuous shooting of up to 6.5 shots per second, perfect for capturing fast-paced action. With the Canon R100, you can enjoy the convenience of a small and lightweight camera without compromising on image quality. Number 7. Canon EOS M100 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS M100 camera is a versatile mirrorless camera that offers a range of features to enhance your photography experience. With its dual-pixel CMOS AF with phase detection, you can enjoy fast and accurate autofocus for capturing sharp and clear images. The 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor delivers high-resolution photos with vibrant colors and fine details. The built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth allow for seamless wireless connectivity, making it easy to transfer and share your photos with friends and family. The intuitive touchscreen, with its 3.0-inch tilt-type LCD, provides a user-friendly interface for easy navigation and framing. With up to 49 AF points you can achieve precise focus on your subject, whether it's a still image or a moving subject. The Canon EOS M100 camera is a reliable and compact option for capturing stunning photos and videos.